Welcome to Talk Mary and Mike's English podcast.
Mary, I have a massive English emergency today.
Oh no, what is the emergency, Mike?
It is be, do, and have. What is the exact difference between them?
Oh, now I understand. Mike, you don't have a grammar problem. You have a system problem. Okay, Mike, I need you to close your eyes for 5 seconds.
Okay, closed.
Imagine the entire English language is a giant building, a massive skyscraper.
Got it.
That building has only 3 pillars holding it up. 3! Just 3! English has 3 pillars: be, do, and have.
Wait, only 3 pillars holding up the entire language?
That's right. They control everything. Absolutely everything. They are the bosses of the language. Let's call them a photo, a video, and a trophy.
A photo, a video, a trophy? That's interesting.
By the end of this lesson, you will never freeze between I am, I do, and I have again. Zero thinking. Automatic.
That is a massive promise, Mary.
It is, and we're going to prove it because English is not random grammar. It's a system.
Then prove it to me. I'm listening.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mary.
And I'm Mike. Today's episode is about the 3 bosses of English: be, do, and have.
Most learners think English has 1,000 confusing rules.
It sure feels like that to me.
But here's the truth. Be, do, and have. They are not grammar words. They are 3 cameras.
3 cameras?
Yes. Every time you speak, you pick a lens. Are you taking a photo of a state? Are you filming an action? Or are you holding up the trophy of a result?
Photo, video, trophy. 3 lenses.
Exactly. The be system takes a photo. The do system shoots a video. The have system holds the trophy.
Okay, I want to test this. Walk me through them one by one.
Let's go. Pick up your phone. Open the camera app.
Okay, camera is open. Smile.
Take a photo of yourself right now. Look at that photo. Are you moving in the photo?
No, I am completely frozen, stuck.
That is the be system. Be takes a photograph of your state.
My state? Like, my situation?
Exactly. I am tired. Photo of exhausted Mike.
I am happy. Photo of smiling Mike.
She is ready. Photo of someone prepared.
No movement, no action, just the fact of how things are.
That's it. The be system describes your identity, your feelings, your situation, anything that is, not anything you do.
I love this. It is so visual. Wait. Let me see if I actually got this.
Go for it.
If I say, I am confused,
Photo of a confused Mike.
the coffee is cold,
Photo of sad, cold coffee.
they are late to the meeting.
Photo of an empty conference room.
I can see every single one in my head.
You are taking photos, not filming, not holding trophies, just freezing the moments.
Okay, that is system 1, but there are 3 pillars, Mary. Bring on system 2.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Put the camera down. Now pick up a video camera.
Okay, I'm a filmmaker now. Action.
Press record. What happens?
Everything moves. People walk, hands type, mouths talk.
That is the do system. Do is action, movement.
So if be is a frozen photo, do is a video playing.
Exactly. Anytime you do something, physically or mentally, that is the do system.
I work. Video of me at my desk typing.
She runs. Video of her on the track, moving.
They call the client. Video of them on the phone.
Vroom! The engine is on. The video is rolling.
Okay, but here's my question. Sometimes I hear I do work instead of I work. What is the difference?
Same system, same video. Do just emphasizes it. It turns up the volume on the action.
So I work and I do work are the same movie, just one has the sound turned up?
Exactly. The video is still playing either way.
Let me try. You say a sentence, I tell you. Photo or video?
The manager is angry.
Angry is a feeling, no movement. Photo, be system.
The manager yells at the team.
Yelling is action, mouth moving, sound coming out. Video, do, system.
I eat lunch at my desk.
Eating is action, chewing, fork moving. Video.
You're terrifyingly good at this, Mike.
Photo equals be. Video equals do. I am locked in now.
Then let's see what happens when you crash the two systems together.
Crash them? Wait, you can crash English?
Oh, yes. Millions of learners do it every day.
Like what? Give me the crash.
I am work.
Oh no, I have said that exact sentence multiple times.
Look at what you did. Am. That's the photo camera.
Right, be system.
Work. That's the video camera.
Action, do system.
You just tried to look through two cameras at the same time. What happens?
You see nothing. It's just blurry chaos.
System crash. English breaks.
Oh my goodness, this is a massive breakthrough for me.
It's not a grammar mistake. It's a camera mistake.
I have been smashing a photo camera into a video camera my entire learning life.
And now you see why it never made sense.
So to fix it, I choose one lens.
Exactly. State equals be. I am busy.
Action equals do. I work.
No crash, no confusion, just clarity.
This is blowing my mind. A weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I don't have to memorize weird rule combinations anymore.
You just pick your camera.
Photo or video, not both smashed together.
You are free, Mike.
I feel free. This is incredible.
Now let's use both systems correctly in a real situation.
Okay, give me a scenario.
You're at the office. A colleague asks, "Why can't you come to lunch with us?"
Okay, I am busy. Let me build my answer.
Start with your state.
I am really stressed today. Photo.
Now explain why using action.
I work on a huge project. Video, rolling.
State first, then action. No crash.
I am stressed. I work on a huge project. It feels so clean, no confusion.
Now here's why this actually matters in your real life, Mike. When you stop crashing these systems, your boss understands you clearly the first time. No. Can you repeat that? No. Confused looks. Just instant professional trust.
That is what I want. I want my boss to trust my English.
This will make your boss trust you more. Clear English equals clear thinking.
Okay, I am sold forever. But Mary, you promised 3 systems. Be is the photo, do is the video. What is the third pillar? The trophy you mentioned?
Now we get to the system that makes you sound like a true professional.
I want to sound like a professional. Teach me.
If be is a photo and do is a video, have is the one that makes you sound like a boss.
A boss? I want that energy.
The have system is the trophy you hold in your hand after the work is completely finished.
A trophy. So the action is dead?
Dead, buried. In the past. You are not doing the thing anymore.
I am just holding the results.
Exactly. This is the system that makes you sound like a professional.
Walk me through it. Slowly.
Imagine you just ran a long marathon.
Exhausted already.
While you were running, what system is that?
Running is movement. Video. Do system.
Correct. But you crossed the finish line. The running is over.
I am standing still now.
And the organizers walk up and hang a heavy gold medal around your neck.
I can feel it right here on my chest.
That medal, that is the have system.
The action is dead. The video stopped. All I have is the result.
I have run the marathon. You are not running. You are holding the medal.
Wow. I have finished. Trophy of completed work.
She has called the client. Trophy of a done phone call.
They have eaten lunch. Trophy of an empty plate. Oh my goodness, Mary. I am holding trophies everywhere now. Every time I finish something, I have it.
Yes, celebrate that feeling.
I am the champion of my to-do list. I have answered every email.
That is the energy. The have system is your victory lap.
This feels so rewarding. Every sentence with have feels like an achievement.
Because it is. You're not just saying words, you're showing results.
Okay, wait. Let me test myself before I get too excited.
Go for it.
I have seen that movie. Trophy of the memory. The watching is over.
Perfect.
I have learned English today. Trophy of new knowledge.
The biggest trophy of all.
I have eaten too much pizza. Trophy of regret?
Still a trophy. A greasy, delicious trophy.
I am never confused by have again. It is just the trophy shelf.
You are holding the results. Every single time. Same life, 3 cameras. Before I'm going to show Mike the most powerful thing in this entire lesson, I want you to do a favor. If you like this video, subscribe to Talk Mary and Mike English Podcast, and hit the like button.
Okay, I'm sitting forward. Go.
One situation, your day at work. 3 cameras.
Same day, different lenses.
First, the photo. Tell me your state.
I am exhausted. Photo of tired Mike at his desk.
Second, the video. Press record. Show me the action.
I work all day. Rolling. Video of me typing, calling, running to meetings.
Third, the trophy. The day is over. What do you hold?
I have completed everything. Trophy in my hands. Work is done.
Look at what you just did. Same life, 3 cameras.
I am exhausted. I work all day. I have completed everything.
State, action, result. No grammar confusion, just pure meaning.
Same life, 3 systems. That is the golden sentence.
English gives you choices. You choose the lens based on what you want to communicate.
Do I want to show them my state, my movement, or my victory? I am the director of my own English movie.
You always were, Mike. You just didn't know it. Now, I'm going to say some broken sentences, and I want you to fix them.
Bring the broken English.
And for everyone watching right now, I want you to pause this video before Mike answers. Look at the sentence on the screen. Figure out which camera is wrong. Then unpause and see if you and Mike got the same answer.
Oh, this is fun. Gamified English.
First mistake. I have tired. Pause the video. Tell Mike the answer.
Got it. Tired is a state, a feeling. It belongs to the photo camera.
Unpause. Mike, what is the fix?
You cannot hold tired as a trophy. It's not a physical object, it's a state. Switch to the B system. I am tired.
Perfect. Second mistake. He does very hungry. Pause it again.
Same problem. Hungry is not an action. He is not doing a hungry. There is no movement. System crash. The fix is, he is very hungry.
Third one. I am work right now. Pause.
Am is the photo. Work is the video. Two cameras at once. Crash. Pick one. I work right now.
You fixed every single one instantly. No grammar book, no memorization.
Because the cameras make it obvious. You cannot break the rules of the lens.
Now, the ultimate test. Imagine you are in the biggest meeting of your career.
Sweaty palms. Racing heart. The CEO is looking at me.
The room goes silent. She points at you. Mike, what is happening with the international sales project?
Deep breath. 3 cameras. I can do this.
Go!
Ma'am, I am very confident about our progress. State. Set the scene.
Good. Now show her the movement.
My team and I work on this project every single day. Action. Video rolling.
Now, place the trophy on her desk.
And I have finalized the complete report for you. It's ready now. Trophy delivered.
Boom! The room erupts.
I sound like a vice president.
Let's review what you just did. I am confident. We work every day. I have finalized the report. State, action, result.
I didn't think about verb tenses once, not even once.
Because you were thinking about meaning, not rules.
Systems over rules. Always.
Fast recap. No fluff, just the gold.
Hit me.
System 1. B. What is it?
The photo, your state, your situation, your feeling. I am ready.
System 2. Do.
The video, your action, your movement. I work.
System 3. Have.
The trophy, your result, your experience, your victory. I have finished.
The golden rule?
English is not random. It's a system. Same life, 3 cameras.
And the crash?
Never mix cameras in the same lens slot. Photo plus video equals crash. Pick one.
That's it. That's the entire lesson. Photo, video, trophy.
3 cameras, 0 confusion, lifetime of clarity.
Now, your turn. I want everyone watching to go down to the comments right now.
Yes, get your keyboards ready. Active learning time.
Write 3 sentences about your day today, 1 for each camera.
Sentence 1. Use the photo camera. I am your state right now.
Sentence 2. Use the video camera. I, an action you did or do.
Sentence 3. Use the trophy camera. I have something you completed or achieved.
Show us your trophies in the comments. I am going to read every single one.
And if this lesson finally made English click in your brain, if you finally understand be, do, and have, smash that like button.
It helps more learners find us and discover the 3-camera system.
Subscribe to Talk Mary and Mike English podcast and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. We have so many more secrets to unlock.
You don't have a grammar problem. You have a system problem. But not anymore.
Not anymore. Photo, video, trophy. I will never forget.
Practice makes progress. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye.